Sige, last question kay Joyce. Habol lang natin.
Sir, Malaysian Prime Minister Mahathir cautioned the Philippine government to be careful with Chinese loans, and they have cited their government's experience, saying that they have canceled a number of unfair Chinese-funded projects. So sa interview niya sa ANC, sabi po niya na if you borrow huge sums of money from China and you cannot pay, you know that when a person is a borrower, he is under the control of the lender. So we should be careful about it. How are we taking this caution from Prime Minister Mahathir?
Of course, we will take his advice, and the economic managers are evaluating all kinds of loans that we are having with the Chinese government. With respect to the Chico Jam, I think the eco managers have already explained that we're not at a disadvantage.